All right. Hey there, home athletes. Happy Friday to you. We are finishing up the week of workouts with a 14-minute AMRAP today. We have two different movements. We have an ascending rep scheme, right? So we're going to start the first round with 6 of each movement, and then our second round will be 12 of each movement. Our third round will be 18 of each movement. We're going to add 6 reps to each movement per round, if that makes sense. So 6s, 12s, 18s, 24s, 30s, so on and so on and so on, kind of going up the ladder as far as we can in 14 minutes. So our two movements today are dumbbell snatches and sit-ups. Really good combination of movements here, I think. The snatch, of course, as you're probably familiar by now, is a really good full body movement, right? We start with that big jump, right? We're driving those feet down into the floor. We're pushing with the legs. We're extending the hips. We're squeezing the butt. And then that's kind of all lower body gets that weight moving up off the floor. And then the upper body takes over. We pull that elbow up nice and high. And then we punch it up overhead. One big full body movement. Make sure that dumbbell, so it should start on the floor right between the feet. And then when you're doing your snatches today, we're thinking of a nice straight vertical path, right? So the part where the bell starts on the floor between the feet. And ideally, it should make a nice straight line. Keep it nice and close to the body as it goes straight up overhead, both from the front and from the side. So hips down, feet flat, nice big straight up overhead, and right back down the floor again. You're gonna switch hands every rep like we always do, right? Left hand, right hand, and down. Notice hopefully that I'm making a nice straight line, straight up and straight down, both from the side and from the front, right? Go straight up. So, first one, of course, 6 reps, that's gonna be 3 and 3. Again, but alternate sides every rep. The next set will be 12, so it'll be 6 and 6, alternating sides every rep, and so on and so on and so on. Now we're gonna alternate those with sit-ups, right? Working those abs a little bit. So as we have our one dumbbell today, I would advise you to use that as kind of a foot lock, if you will. Go ahead and wrap those feet around that dumbbell so that your feet stay stationary on the floor. One side on either bell. Start with the your hips, your butt rather, kind of be as close to the heels as possible. Get nice and close in there. Sit up nice and tall, right? We're trying to keep that back relatively straight. We're not rounding at the top of the sit-up, so at the top we're sitting up nice and tall here. Going all the way down to the floor at the bottom, and then coming all the way back up to the top. Then you'll notice, the dumbbell's going to keep those feet from moving around too much. And yeah, there you have it. That is your Friday workout. See how many rounds and reps you can get of the ascending numbers in 14 minutes. All right, home athletes, have a great weekend. Actually, that's not true. I will have a video and workout for you tomorrow on Saturday. Check for it, get it done. Take care.